So hello mga kainday, kamusta kayo? Say hi! So for today's video mga kainday, samahan nyo kami na i-celebrate ang isa sa pinakamahalagang event dito sa US, which is yung Independence Day. So happy 4th of July to everyone here in US. Happy Independence Day po. So ngayon, July 3, pupunta po muna tayo sa isa sa event dito, which is Carmel Fest. So may 2 days event sila para i-celebrate ang Independence Day. So excited ako kasi may live bands, may food trip, may fireworks, at may beer mga kainday. So tomorrow pa talaga ang July 4. So pupunta rin tayo dito tomorrow. So samahan nyo kami today and tomorrow para i-celebrate ang Independence Day. At mamaya pupunta rin kami sa Monsi, dinner with the family to celebrate sa mga in-laws ko. At yun mga kainday, update ko po kayo later mga kainday. Bakit ganito ako high pitch mga kainday? Bye! Say hi! Yeah, it's okay with that? Grabe yung coffee. Napakalaki. Para siyang soft drinks coffee. Huge. This cash or card?
The card, phone.
It's nachos time. Hello. Hi. Grabing init mga kainday. Sobra. May sunburn na kami siguro. So, tapos na kami dito. Papunta na kami ng Monsi. At babalik ulit kami dito bukas. Okay? Update ko kayo later mga kainday. Bye! Hey.
That's really famous lobby music.
I want to die this thing.
like it when you get it and waste it.
No, we're gonna say that.
Say that? Okay. It's almost.
Big cracker.
Hey. Justin.
Show you off. Tonight I want to show you off.
Hey, hey, hey.
What you got? Wow, yung excited ka sa fireworks, pero umuulan kanina. Hello mga kainday. May fireworks, tuloy yung fireworks, kaya lang close na yung mga vendor kasi umuulan, may parating na storm. Hi, pero tuloy pa rin yung fireworks mga kainday. Later, hihintayin namin yan. Walang beer. Okay. Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Sorry it's so rainy.
Happy 4th of July, mga kainday.
Happy birthday, America.
Hello. We're waiting for the fireworks. Hey! We're waiting for the fireworks, mga kainday. Hey! Naghihintay kami ng fireworks, mga kainday. 2 minutes.